Welcome to our in-depth review of NiceHash, the versatile crypto mining platform that simplifies the mining process for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. NiceHash is a marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of hashing power, enabling anyone to mine cryptocurrencies without the need to purchase expensive hardware. In this video, we will guide you step by step through the platform's features, setup process, and how to get started with mining on NiceHash. First, we'll explore the homepage, where users are greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. From the homepage, you can easily access your mining dashboard, wallets, marketplace, and account settings. We'll show you how to sign up for an account and secure your profile with two-factor authentication to keep your data safe. Once you're logged in, the dashboard becomes your hub for managing mining activities. You can monitor your hashing power, track your earnings, and choose from a variety of cryptocurrencies to mine, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. NiceHash's mining software is highly efficient, providing a one-click setup for miners, which is perfect for newcomers. We'll walk you through downloading the software and connecting your mining equipment to the platform. Next, we'll dive into the NiceHash marketplace, where buyers can bid for hashing power at competitive rates. This is a unique feature that sets NiceHash apart, as it allows for flexible pricing and instant payouts. Sellers, on the other hand, can maximize profits by offering their hashing power during peak demand. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Returning to NiceHash, one of the standout tools is the profitability calculator. This tool allows you to estimate your potential earnings based on your hardware and electricity costs. It's a must-use feature to determine whether mining is viable for you. We'll also cover NiceHash Quick Miner, an option designed for optimized mining on supported GPUs. NiceHash Wallet is another essential component, providing a secure and convenient way to store your mined cryptocurrencies. The platform supports various withdrawal methods, including external wallets and bank accounts, making it easy to access your funds. For those looking to learn more, NiceHash offers an extensive help center and an active community forum. These resources are invaluable for troubleshooting issues and staying updated on the latest features and news. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a like to stay updated on the latest crypto tools and tips.